Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the length and breadth, how to find length and breadth. Okay, see finding length and breadth, length into breadth is equal to area of a rectangle. Length into breadth is equal to area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula, what is the area of rectangle? Rectangle, length into breadth. So length is equal to area of rectangle divided by breadth. Length is equal to area of rectangle divided by breadth. So length is equal to L. L is equal to area A divided by breadth B. So L is equal to A divided by B. Length is equal to area of rectangle divided by breadth. Breadth is equal to area of a rectangle divided by length. Breadth is equal to area of a rectangle divided by length. So breadth is equal to B, breadth B is equal to area A divided by length L. So B is equal to A divided by L. Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. We want length from that. Length is equal to area of rectangle divided by breadth. We want breadth. Breadth is equal to area of rectangle divided by length. Everybody open your textbook, page number 160, exercise 7.4. In that, see the first question. Complete the following table. We have to complete the table, ma. First what given? Length L for length. Breadth given, we have to find the area. Okay, sometimes length and breadth will give, we have to find the area. Length and breadth given time, we have to find the area. How? Length into breadth. Multiply the two numbers, you will get the last one answer. Area. Okay, if they suppose they gave length and they gave area, we have to find the breadth. What we have to do? We have to divide area with length. Okay. Do the table your own. Next, B question. Solve these word problems. We have to solve the word problems. First question. A rectangular playing field has an area of 440 square meter. Rectangular playing field. The playing field is in the shape of a rectangle. The area of that field is 440 square meters. If its length is 22 meter, find its breadth. Length given, we have to find its breadth. So see the first one answer. Area of a rectangular playing field. Area of a rectangular playing field is equal to 440 square meters. 440 square meters. They gave length, ma. Its length. So length is equal to 22 meter. Length is equal to 22 meter. We have to find its breadth. So what is the breadth formula? When they gave area and length, so area divided by area of a rectangle divided by length. Area of a rectangle divided by length. So area of a rectangle, how much given? 440 square meters divided by 22 meters. Here square meters means 2 meters will be there. 1 meter, 1 square meter cancel, 1 more meter will be there. So do division with 22 and 440. 22 table 44. 22 twos are 44. We get remainder 0 here, 1 more 0 right here. So the answer is 20 meters. Breadth is equal to 20 meters. Next, second question. A rectangular classroom is of length 27 meter. If its area is 594 square meters, what is its breadth? So here like same question this model, ma. Area of classroom given, rectangular classroom. But here they gave length before. Now also they gave length. Again we have to find breadth. Same process. Do your own. Next. Third question. A rectangular garden is divided into 10 equal flower beds. ఫ్లవర్ బెడ్స్ మీన్స్ పూల తోటలు ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటిని 10 బెడ్స్గా డివైడ్ చేశారు. ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ 145 సెంటీమీటర్ అండ్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఈజ్ 50 సెంటీమీటర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద గార్డెన్? సో దేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డివైడెడ్ into 10 flower beds. So each flower bed given here, length of flower bed, breadth of flower bed, area of flower bed given. So but we have to find the area of the garden. So see the third question solution. Length of flower bed, length of flower bed, length of flower bed is equal to 145 centimeter. Next, breadth of flower bed, breadth of flower bed is equal to 50 centimeter. So one flower bed, now we have to find the area of the flower bed. Area of the flower bed. Area of the flower bed is equal to L into B. Here length is equal to 145 centimeter into 50 centimeter. So how much multiplication do? 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. 7450 square centimeter. This is one flower bed length. 7450 square centimeter is one flower bed area. So there are how many flower beds are there? 10. So number of flower beds. Number of flower beds in the garden. Number of flower beds in the garden. Number of flower beds in the garden. So how many flower beds are there in the garden? 10 flower beds are there in the garden. So area of the garden. Area of the garden. So each flower bed area is 7400, like that 10 is there. So 10 into 7450 square centimeters. So 10 into, so 74,500 square centimeters. This is the area of the garden. Next, see the fourth question. A rectangle has an area of 165 square centimeter. If its breadth is 11 centimeter, we have to find its perimeter. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, we have to know the length and breadth. But we know the breadth, we know the area. Using this area and breadth, we have to find length. After that, we have to find the perimeter of the figure. Now, fourth question. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to 165 square centimeters. Area of a rectangle given. Next, breadth. Breadth is equal to 11 centimeters. Next, we have to find perimeter. But finding the perimeter, we know length and breadth. But we don't know length, so we have to find length. Length is equal to area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle divided by breadth. Area of a rectangle divided by breadth. So area of rectangle how much? 165 square centimeters divided by 11 centimeters. Here square centimeters means centimeter into centimeter, 2 will be there. So this centimeter, 1 centimeter will be cancelled, 1 will be there. Now do division with 11. 11 165. So 11 ones are 11, minus 5 here 0, write this 5 here, 11 5s are 55. So we get remainder 0. So length is 15 centimeter. We know length and breadth. We have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length how much? 15 centimeter plus breadth how much? 11 centimeter. So 2 into 15 plus 11, 2 into 26 centimeter. 2 26 is 52 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Next, fifth question. What will be the perimeter of a rectangular piece of plot 30 meter long having an area 480 square meter? This is also same like fourth question mark. Area given, but in the place of breadth here given the length. Long means length and breadth we have to find. Breadth is equal to area of rectangle divided by length. Will you get breadth? Next we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. You have to do your own. All these problems do in your classwork with neat handwriting.